Hello everyone, George here again. Very excited today. As you've seen, I posted earlier that I got my hands on Nature's Flavours organic fragrance oil, black raspberry vanilla. I use this brand already for my jasmine, carnation and gardenia double oat bars. So I was really happy to try a fourth fragrance oil from them. And this is certified organic as well, so I really love this company. You should definitely look them up no matter where you are, if you're in the States or in Australia or whatever the case may be. I highly suggest you give them a look up because they're just fantastic. Today I'm making obviously my double oat bar, scented with the black raspberry vanilla. And I also have the vitamin E in here and 1% cedarwood atlas. I'm using the black raspberry vanilla at 4% and fixing it with 1% cedarwood and of course 0.7% natural vitamin E for an antioxidant. And it is called black raspberry vanilla, so I was thinking, should I scent it with charcoal? Colour it with charcoal. But I wasn't sure because I've got a lot of black bars already that I make. So I just didn't want to add another black bar. The gardenia bar, I do have it black and white swirl, so I thought I'll just leave it as is. I like how they look. So what I'm going to do is it's a 2 kilo batch. So I'm just, ideally I should be doing 1 kilo batch test. But I'm doing 2 kilo because I just hate 1 kilo when you have to kind of separate it and colour it and stuff. It can be a bit annoying. So I'm just doing 2 kilo. Worst case, I'll use them and I'll give them out as samples if it misbehaves. But so far, all their fragrances haven't misbehaved on me, so I'm sure this will be fine. But just for simplicity, 2 kilo batch. I'm going to do equal parts split. I'm going to do purple, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. So I'm doing purple Brazilian clay with a white clay filler. And then obviously for the vanilla portion, I really like this earthy colour, the nude French clay. So that's the kind of idea behind it. Raspberry, purplish, and then vanilla, creamy colour. So that's my thought process behind. And of course the oil, as you can see, it's quite dark. And the cedarwood and the natural vitamin E also darken it up a little. And of course, I'm using olive oil, so that also darkens up the finished product. But I quite like the way the purple turns out in a bar I sell already. It's called the Dawn Blend Almond Bars, which should be, you probably have seen the video by now, because I'm not going to release this video until like another couple of weeks. So you'll see that bar. So that purple in that bar is what's hopefully going to be in this recipe. So I'm just waiting for my oat milk to thaw just a little bit. I don't like to use it. I don't like to add the lye when it's completely frozen. I like it to thaw a little bit. So it looks like it's thawed enough. So now I will add the lye to it slowly. Get all the ball rolling for this particular recipe. Fingers crossed it turns out nice and doesn't trace fast. Right, so let's get soaping.